Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I am teaching you how to create a blog website. So I using this site for theme like Jannah theme. So let's start the video. So first I open, this is my website. You can see it look like this design. So first I open backend of my website. So my website backend open. So first of all I install the Jannah theme. Here I already installed, but I tell you about how to install, add a theme. So add a new theme and then upload theme and then choose file. After you choose the file, you see like this. So you can open your folder where you save your theme. So my theme is there and I add the theme and then you click install. I already installed, so I cannot again install. So I go again theme folder and then activate, and then after activate your theme, then go to install plugin. After clicking the install plugin, click plugin and then open your option and then install and click apply button. After all plugin was installed, so click return to Bookar plugin. So internet slow. So you can again, all plugin was installed but you cannot activate your plugin. So again click here plugin and then click activate and then apply button. Now your all plugin was activated. So I tell you about the theme like website layout, how look now, how my website look now. This is my website look now. You can see this. I have one article and one videos. So I need to design my home page and then need to menu. So I go to back my pages. After click the pages, add card, click new one. Here is my, click use the theme builder, click add section. After click the add section, you can see like this. So done, click done. After click the done, you can see like this, add block, and then you see all the form about this, same like this. So I need for my theme slider like this type slider, you can see. So I select this type of slider. I think this was awesome slider. So then after I clicking, first I go down and click there and there. This is my categories. Select the categories. After you select the categories, so then click done, and this was is very awesome. You can see I publish, now publish. After publish, you can go your that page and reload the page, but you cannot see anything about this reload. Oh, what thing is, I do not home page. Click home and click update. After you click that, you go to your setting and then click read for new page. After clicking that, you can see like this. Click here, a stated page, click home page like home. That my home page also ready. So then you can see about that. Refresh, reload your home page. So now you can see about this. Your home page was ready. I have only one post. Then as you can see like this. So I can add more posts. I go to post page, click add new, open new sheet, and then load it, page loading. After finish loading, and then you can see that, so you can post your article like this. I have no more articles, so I say how to create a website. So I have no content, so I copy like this and paste here. So I have no more categories, so I select travel categories and click set future image. I have no any future image, but I still searching on my desktop and click there, download, and then searching, but I do not find anything like this. So my picture was uploaded, and then I set future image. Future image is most important. You can set. If you do not set your future image, you cannot see like this. So I publish my content, so I reload my home page. After reload my page, you can see like this my home page ID, my new post and my old post. You see it. If you more upload your post like 4 to 5 postage, you can see that like that. So my next step is I need to show more postage like downside. So I go to my home page. There's my home page. So I select section, add section, and then I need to add section like that. My right hand side widget show, so I can done it. So all is okay, it is no anything else. So I click here and then done. After that I do not edit my home page. After that I write a custom logo like travel, and then click there. These two my categories, travel category, travel and subcategory. So all done and click done. And then I also select my widgets for showing my latest widgets. So yeah, now post list, click and go open widgets sites, and then click paste here, and then you can also select like that, but I do not select because already selected. So save and click backside and publish. After publish, you can go your home. After reload your home page, then you can see like this. Wait, I scroll down upside. But one issue you can face, your home page not properly saved. I reload my home page and then check all this update again and reload. happen. Hmm. Now I can outside my homepage menu. So click here. After I set my menu, then you can see my properly homepage. So there is my menu. Already move again because that my old menu setting. So click here and add menu. After add the menu, save it. After save the menu, you can check again, reload your page. I think some issue I can face, like new menu. Yes, this type of menu. I think I face this type of menu. So you can edit and click here, move and remove. So here two menus show like that. First I check my home page. There is one menu show like this. So click here, add menu, and then save it. No issue detected like that. Click here and then I click there and save it, and then reload again my home page, and then you can see like this awesome temple, and also see this. But one issue you can face in there, your that widgets not scroll down. So I can tell you about how can I be scroll in there. Go to home page and then edit your page. After editing the page, go there and then click there and done an update, and now you can reload your page and then go down, and then you can see your widget also down, scroll down, up, scroll down, as you see. So now you can go there, you can go your post, and then you can see your website is ready. So now your menu was added, but I have one more menu to add there. So how can I add my menu more? So I can tell you about it. Click on, come there and then go to menu. So now go to categories, click here and there, after there and add, after you come there, so that is subcategory, that is why I scroll there. So save your menu and then go to your home page and reload your home page, and then you can check your menu was there successfully. That was easy. So next my point, change my logo. So how can I change my logo? So I can tell you about how change the logo. So click here, come there and click there. After loading, still loading, and then open, go to logo, click here, there images, but I have no logo, but I need a logo, but I have no logo. So then at this point I add my site name for showing a logo like this. I think it was amazing. After done this, I save my date and then I check if my logo is complete. Now my logo is changed, same and if you need your logo come to center, then you go to again your that page and then click your header. So there are three layout. First center and then there. I think center is best decisions. So I click here and then reload my page. Now you can see my logo was center on my home page. There was a complete tutorial for tell you about how to create your blog website within 15 to 20 minutes. It is very easy. I hope you can learn about it. So please subscribe.